Now, the Premier and members of the executive, the Luthuli family, the Luthuli Museum and Luthuli Council, ladies and gentlemen present here today, a very warm good morning and a very hearty welcome to Guaduguza, Groudville. On behalf of the municipality, I wish to thank President Mpegi for remembering the 40 years after Chief Luthuli's death. I wish to thank our Premier for enthusiastically and promptly commissioning the year-long commemoration. We wish the program a success. Chief Luthuli is a symbol of unity and cohesion in the ANC and in the whole country. To deviate from this would be to dishonor him. Unity of purpose enables us to focus on service delivery, on eradicating poverty, on growing the economy so that our people can experience a dignified and an improved way of life. Just to add, to those that are wondering about the state of health of the chief at the time of his death, I would like to ensure them that he had a good eye and a good ear. It has been said that he wouldn't see the train coming, or he wouldn't even hear the noise of the train coming. But that is a myth, it's a fallacy. He could hear my firstborn baby cry across the passage from his bedroom when he was an infant. He could, every evening, he would take out the Bible and read from it, and sing from the hymnal, and pray under candlelight with his one good eye. I thank you.
owabizelwe ezweni lengaphesheya ngaphandle kwakukuthi wayeseboshele engathi uhlala esiqhingini ukuthi akangayi kude nomuzi wakhe kodwa he was the first man to receive a Nobel Peace Prize. Indondo leyo yokuthula noxolo mkhosi. Hayi
baba ngeke seyiqeda bamkhulu.
Hayi yabona kubeka lapho khuluma Ko-1938
kwenza ngoba wena unyaka lo-38 ngaphambi kuzalwe mina nawe abantu beyazi iminyaka yethu
uzokwazi abantu ukuthi badala
yazi badala vele man
hayi ubuke wedwa
hayi nawe sebizwa le indaba zenkonzo njalo phe endiya eyelikhofa le conference international missionary conference
leko sikamada Teresa
azoke nazo
uyabona ke 10 years later ngo-1948 lo mkhosi wahlala e-USA United States of America izinyanga eziwu9 ishagalolu
Hey madam.
enkonfeni ke enkulu ingqungquthela eyayibizwe ikhaswe abamasonto ngisho phela abezenkolo
Abezenkolo.
yebo
Yeah.
konje wamkhizi uyakhumbula ukuthi mina nawe nathi la eMzansi sake saba yiUSA
Usa.
yeah sasi Union of South Africa phela kungafika iRepublic
Ngithe usa kanti uthi welcome le pub manje.
usungenaphi lapha
Awushudele usa.
hayi mkhizi sondela mkhozi wami
Yeah,
sondela
yeah.
uyabona mkhizi ukukhuluma kusasele mfowethu kusasele ukukhuluma uyabona i-Truth Commission
Yeah.
ayikawuqeda umsebenzi wayo
Ayi,
usazomela kuhlehlwe mkhizi kuhlehlwe kuyoqala waphansi ngoba uyabona ngiyafunga ngiyagomela ngithoka emadlani nduna wayengakafisi ukushiya lo mhlaba wayengakafisi ukushiya umndeni wakhe kanye nalabo abantu ayebahola bakakhongolese ababe ngangeyinkumbi ngoba phela wayekhonziwe lo muntu
Kakhulu.
mkhizi umbuzo wami munye umbuzo futhi uyawazi wona sihlala sikhuluma nawe usuku nosuku
Yebo.
umbuzo wami uthi gcwabe kwenzekani
Chief Albert Luthuli. Seshiya lapho bye.
40 years ago this year, a hero of our people departed for the great yonder. Today we are launching the Albert Luthuli commemorative events. This is in order to reconfirm to ourselves and the world that Chief Luthuli's legacy remains, etched in the collective memories of all who cherish the democratic ideal. In this vein, we are here to say that Chief Albert John Mvumbi Luthuli lives. We make this journey standing in awe of the greatness to which Chief Albert Luthuli was able to rise in his lifetime. We are content that he made those sacrifices and strides in order that we and generations to come could live in peace and security as ensured by the ushering of democracy in 1994. In the political veins of our country today causes the blood of Chief Luthuli and those of his kind who shed both metaphorically and physically, so that the march to freedom changed into a trot and the trot changed into a gallop. When we shine a prism of light on the life of Chief Luthuli, we can see it in clear visions of ourselves. On the way to a truly free South Africa. A truly free South Africa is one which is beyond the right to a ballot. All our people hold high the promise for economic and personal security. Our people remain part of our great dream today. This is because in exile, prison, the townships, villages, and suburbs of our country, our people were the proverbial push which turned the